Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Come with me, let me show you a very realistic, easy and effective way to make money with about or less than 50 euro. You're not giving this money to anyone, you'll be using it to order the accessories you'll need to assemble these items. And this idea is so dear and short to me because it's a business I do. I sell jewelries, so I can tell you the kind of jewelries people buy a lot, especially when it comes to earrings. In this video, I'll show you where to order very cheap accessories for making jewelries, and it's very easy to assemble them because the accessories are already prepared. You just have to attach them together. So let me show you how easy it can be. So now you go to Temi website or the app. You need to take advantage of their prices that seems unrealistic. So now this is an example of a stud. This is going to be the base of your earrings. This is a box of 40 pieces. This is the post stud earrings with loop. So it's with the loop you're going to attach the other parts to make your earrings. This part is going to be attached to the base with a single hook. I'm going to show you the hook. They come in different colors. This is the set you need to clip the items together. This is €3 for this set. Look at this. You see everything. Look. For €7, you're going to get 80 pieces of this to be attached to your base. And this can make 40 pairs of earrings. If you want to use the first base I showed to you, because that base is 40 pieces, you can buy 2 sets of that to have 80 pieces. With 80 pieces of this, is going to give you 40 pairs of earrings. So as you can see, there are so many of them. So this here is another base you can use to make your earrings. This is a loop. So it's 10 pieces of this at €2. This is another part that can be attached to the base I just showed you. So with this, you can make 10 pairs of earrings. Take a look at this. This is so beautiful. Let me tell you, people love exaggerated earrings a lot. Each time I post exaggerated earrings, they buy them out very fast. So this is just one piece. This is gold plated. So you can buy 2 of these. I'm going to show you a base that will be nice for this. So this looks like an earring I already have. So with this here, you can make something similar to what I have here. Look at this. There are other beautiful designs. This base will be compatible with it and is similar to the one I have. This is very beautiful. It can be attached to a base. You won't only make money selling these products, but you can make money teaching people how you assemble these products. And also, if you can get and attach the affiliate links of the accessories you'll be working with, if people buy these accessories through your affiliate link, you'll make money also through these means. So thanks guys for watching this video. And if you like this video or you have more questions about this video, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. And please use my affiliate link in the description box to order these products. Bye.